2, 1.
Monkey toy chair. Hello, welcome back to Monkey Toy Chairs. Today we're going to see what's in this bag. By doing that, we're going to fill it up with water.
That's right, we're going to fill this balloon up with water and see what's inside. This is a full surprise to the boys. I know what's in it, they don't. And we want to give out a big shout out to all the subscribers that have subscribed already. Thank you very much and keep subscribing. Let's fill up the balloon.
Yeah, if you don't subscribe, you are never going to watch this channel. If you're on the one channel, well, you have to watch it.
That's right. Right.
That's your job, man.
Let's get the balloon around the nozzle.
Oh my god, I'm going to do it. Let me do it. I'm going to do it.
Yeah, let's hold it. Whoa.
It's like a big belly already.
That is huge already. Wow, Brody. Bang, bang, bang. That's right. Oh, wow.
Just need to get it even bigger.
It's huge already, isn't it?
Oh my god.
That's it, keep it up. Oh my. Yeah, let me take over because it's getting heavy already. Wow.
I'm going to hold it.
Can you see what's inside there yet?
No. It's too light.
It is too light. Ah, wow. I think I can see a character right there. Look, bouncing around.
I think that's...
Look, see the shadow? Oh, wow, look, here it comes. It's coming along. Is there another one there? Ah, look, there's definitely one there. I just hit it. Oh, look. Oh, what is it?
It's pink.
It does look like it's pink. Oh, wow, it just...
It is a Moxie.
Oh, what could it be?
No, we don't Moxie already.
Yeah.
Oh, man, what's in this one?
There was one stuck right there. There's one stuck right there.
I see what I saw one floating around their head.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's going to the... Oh, there's so many bubbles in there. I don't think you can see.
If you can, well, just hit the bell button.
And if you think you know what it is, why don't you drop us a comment?
And even post us a letter.
Well, they don't have our address.
Well, they could like just... Well, we could tell them on one of our channels. And then maybe they could tell them Mom and Dad.
I think they just need a drop comment.
If you have a dad or mom or something.
Look.
Oh my god, I saw
Can you
it.
see it?
Yeah.
Oh my word, this is so big now. Ah, wow. Brody, can you see what that is yet? Yeah, move round. Move round.
No.
Yeah. Ah, look. I can see eyes. Can't I? I can see eyes.
Oh yeah.
Can you see what that is? Oh, it's looking at us.
I need a ride.
Oh, wow.
I don't know.
Alright, shall we leave it there?
No.
What, you want it to be bigger?
Yeah. Oh, it's so big, it's like a container.
I think we're going to have to fly it off. Because I don't think it's going to get much bigger. Yeah? Right.
Tie it up!
Right, the balloon is now full. We've got our characters bouncing around and we are about to pop it. Oh my god! Hopefully Brody doesn't pop it before us. Alright, Carter, get your bum off the floor because you are going to get soaked otherwise. Right, sit down, like crouch down, Carter, like Daddy is. Right, you ready guys? Alright, Brody, crouch down.
Okay,
Right,
ready.
crouch. That's it, that's it.
Two.
Alright, you ready?
2, 1.
2, 1. Oh no! What the? Is? What the hell? What the?
I see one of them.
I see one there. Well, let's get this.
I got one out there.
Oh. She had to do. Oh no!
I got six.
Wow, that was a disaster.
Oh, look, that's one of my favourites.
That is Rip. What else have we got? We are. Ah, look, it's Gecko. And then we've got. Who's this? It's called Catboy.
Yeah.
And then we have Rip. He's a new character. What else have we got? Where's the other one?
Found it.
Ah, Carter found it.
It's PJ Robot.
It is. It's PJ Robot.
They found it on.
Yes.
They found it on a long time ago where someone made it.
That's right. So we got PJ Robot. We have Owlette.
Flapping her wings.
That's right. And we got Gecko, and he's on some space pods.
Yeah, because he's climbing up.
And then we got Rip, who looks absolutely cool.
And he's a wolf.
Yeah. And she's got some bones in her hair. She looks rather cool. Yeah. And then we got
Catboy
Catboy,
was
wears
actually
this.
supposed to hold this.
So it goes like that, I believe. It came out the pack like that. Oh. Wow. And look at Catboy. Absolutely awesome.
I like it because it's like she's flying around, but she's actually, and I like it because she has feathers.
That's right.
And sometimes she uses all my wings to flap her feathers around to move them backwards.
Yeah, she's really cool. Very detailed. And then where's the other ones? Ah, let's have a look, Freddie. There's Gecko. Yeah. And he's on his space pods.
And PJ Robot is actually calling someone.
That's right. I've never seen PJ Robot.
But I have watched it sometimes, and he's sometimes in it.
Yeah? I've never seen this character before either.
Yeah, I've seen them. Grip is a wolf. She is. Grip is a wolf.
Rip, yeah. And she's very detailed. Look at her teeth. Wow, she looks like she could tear through some steak. Wow. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe and
Bye-bye and please out.
peace out.
That was epic.
If you enjoyed that video, don't forget to subscribe. From us from Monster Toy Chest.
Bye.